This 2018 Forest River Rockwood Extreme Sports 2280 bhesp is a pop-up RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.